Lolo talaga,
Oh.
syempre. No? Natural path.
Got it.
Very nice.
If you look at the numbers, masasabi mo si Bassett talaga yung nagdadala dito sa Quezon City.
Pinaka parang tinututukan lang nila dito is yung Brown 7.
Akala ko pagkatapos mo sabihin na it's out in the open, sasabihin mo it's looking good. Eh.
Gusto mo ba?
You just want the cue ball to stay in that area in order for you to send that Brown 7 dun sa kabilang kanto.
So between the 9 and 8 window, kung malalagay nila, yan, very
Dyan
nice. Good touch.
nilagay.
Okay, bouncing off the short rail, getting back for the 8 ball. Shouldn't be a problem here.
Rail
Yan.
bounce pa. Inanalyze mo pa. Akala ko bibitawan mo na ng S to S eh. Ito sa'yo, dapat 5 balls or more eh, no?
At least 5, di ba?
Oo. Sige, hindi raw
Pwede.
valid yan. Sabi ni AJ Ong.
Side ball for the 9.
Pero ito ang pinaka-valid. Balik yung scoring ways ng Quezon City Dragons.